Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Here we have a book of art mind for step 4. Today we are going to do page number 15. Here we have a very interesting frog to draw. For drawing and coloring we need a pencil color and pointer. Let's start drawing. Follow the steps given on the left side of page. Firstly, draw two oval shapes overlapping each other. Like this. One should be little small, which we will use for making its face, and the other one should be little big, which we will use for making its body. Now make a face using small oval and legs like this. Complete it by drawing its eyes and mouth. Now give it an outline by using black pointer. Now let's color it. Use green color. As you all know, frogs are green. Simple. Take green color and fill the whole body by using it. Students, stalk should be made in one direction only. So we have done it. Hope you enjoyed it. Practice it. Allah Hafiz.